When I'm looking to source a bridging deal, one of the key things I look for is speed of decision. I want to have pretty much an almost instant idea of whether it's the type of deal that they want or not. If you can get a bridger that on the basis of a chat over the phone for a couple of minutes and they'll say no, that's not for us, then that allows you the time to move on, and find an alternative lender. So it's a quick yes or no really, and to be honest it doesn't matter whether it's a yes or a no, because you just want to know where you stand, and then you'll source the appropriate bridger for that deal. Minimal form filling is good. One of the advantages of bridging is that lot less paperwork. The less paperwork, I think, the happier we are really. You'd like to know that the people who are running the company are experienced, and have been in the industry, whether it's in their current company or different bridges. But yeah, you'd like to see that they've had some experience. It just gives you a bit of security. I would say another key benefit that I'd look for is a simplistic charging structure. I have dealt with some bridges where it's almost like a menu of charges, and that's more difficult to explain convincingly to a potential client. So I look for transparency and again a very simple charging structure. So there's not bells and whistles and other things added on. Simplicity really, and transparency. I do find some bridges are quite rigid on their the term they set. A client needs to set the term at the outset, and then if they overshoot that, they can sometimes be hit with another set-up fee and often a punitive rate, typically 1% above the rate that was being charged to begin with. From a borrower's point of view, from a client's point of view, they have to sort of do a bit of crystal ball gazing at the start and work out how long exactly they're going to need the loan. So one of the things I look for is flexibility in a bridger. So if they can, if a client can have a little bit of flexibility in when they pay the money back without incurring extra fees, penalty rates, and that sort of thing, I would say that would be a definite advantage. I guess you could say there's another aspect I look for a bridger is to actually stick to their original decision. So if they say yes to start with, then to follow that through. And I would characterise that by that old guy in the Vicar of Dibley, would sit there and go yes, 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 no, and that's not the response I want from a bridger that I want to deal with.